everyone, in today's video I'm going to share with you my intense leg stretching routine. In this video I'm going to show you how to improve your flexibility in your legs. Also going to go into detail of all the benefits. There's so many benefits. By doing these stretches it will also help you to do the splits. So without further ado, let's get into it, guys. So the first things first, I'm going to come down into downward dog and then I'm going to raise my leg up as far as it can go. Then I'm going to bend it, then I'm going to bring it back down and then doing the other one as high as I can go. And this position can relieve depression and stress. It helps to calm your brain and it can also relieve mild anxiety. So the next stretch is basically this. I'm bringing my leg up. Did you guys know by stretching your legs, it can help align your spine, which basically improves your posture. It can also prevent you from suffering from long-term backache. Stretching can improve your workouts. It helps to strengthen your joints and it can prevent injury during exercise as your joints and muscles are much more stronger. Stretching plays a massive part in your overall body health. And in case you didn't know, guys, stretching is one of my favourite things to do. Just thought I'd let you know. It really uplifts my mood. It makes me feel so much happier. And my top tip while stretching is to focus on your breath. So when it's hurting, breathe into where it's hurting. Oxygenate your cells. Deep, mindful and conscious breaths is key. Breathing deeply through your nose, inhale and exhale through your mouth. Random side note, Caden is not amused with me because I forgot a book for him to lean on because he draws. He's like a super cool little artist. So he's not a happy bunny. Anyways. These stretches are quite intense, so don't feel bad if you can't do them. Just try and go as far as you can and be patient with yourself. Remember, don't rush. Everything will come to you in its very own divine timing. There's never a need to rush, guys. It's usually the ego that rushes. Less ego, more soul. Always remember, this is your very own unique fitness journey, so go at your own pace. I like to practice these as much as I can. This is basically my daily routine, and once you start doing this more and more often, before you know it, your flexibility will improve, your mindset will improve, you'll feel so much better. I just feel like it really aligns me like mentally, emotionally, so not just physical, the benefits are so much more. I truly feel like it helps me to be a better person, not only to my children, just to everyone. It really teaches me empathy and like even to be like more patient with myself, like really look inward and like love yourself exactly the way you are because you are more than enough. It really helps me to be like a more patient person and mother and all my other roles in life. It really has taught me to empathize and really sympathize with others. Always try to like see other people's perspective. Anyways, look at what Tyrese is doing. He's literally trying to wind me up. Quarantine, guys. As well that I stretch otherwise. So not only does stretching increase your flexibility, it just makes you more ready to adapt, like not only physically but like mentally as well. And it improves your performance like in exercise, therefore it can enhance your results. And it can also help to heal and prevent backache, which I used to suffer for after having my second pregnancy. I used to get bad backache, and after I discovered stretching, it literally helped eradicated my backache, which I'm so thankful and grateful for. Thank you, God. Like I said before, it's a really, really great stress reliever. So it's definitely something to try if you're feeling stressed or anxious, especially at a time like this when you're locked indoors. I was about to say get out. I mean, just start stretching, guys. You can do this anywhere as long as you've got a little bit space. Just stretch. Stretching increases blood flow to your muscles. It also prevents stiffness and pain building up in your joints. Also, guys, it can enable you to get so much better results through working out, because when you stretch on a regular basis, it can increase your range of motion, and therefore it basically, you stretch like a muscle to its limits, it may be more effective for immediate gains. So especially if you're trying to like if you're trying to gain more muscle in an area. And like I said before, it increases your blood flow to your muscles. And therefore, by increasing your circulation to your muscles, it can shorten your recovery time, and it can also reduce muscle soreness. We hope this video is convincing you guys to stretch. If it is, then it's doing its job. Always remember, guys, everything is a journey, it's a process. Like, for example, I didn't wake up yesterday and just start stretching like this. It took me time and just repeating daily stretches, and then before you know it, you could get here too. So be patient and be kind and just practice, and all is coming. So it's okay to be a beginner. We all have to start somewhere. This is called pyramid pose. Keep your hips square and aligned, and you're aiming to put your head to your knee. Your time, inhale deeply and exhale through the mouth. Inhaling deeply through the nose. Breathe into the stretch, guys. Todd picked up my camera. By doing these stretches, it will also help you to achieve the splits as well. Down into a deep stretch and hold it for as long as you can, breathing through it again, guys. Almost done, just doing the other side to make sure we're aligned. Guys, your legs will feel dead after this, but just like shake them out, like shake it off. You got this. Last two stretches are optional, but I'm focusing on trying to improve my strength in my arms. So that's why I'm doing this one. And it also stretches your legs as well. This last one is just for your ego to show off to Insta. I joke, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to stretch, guys, and drink your water. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next upload. Peace and love until next time.